This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the front edge of the bonnet a little, pull the safety catch to release it, and fully open the bonnet. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The min and max marks are indicated on the reservoir. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. Note that the level will drop naturally as the brake pad linings wear, but must never be allowed to fall below the min mark. If topping up is necessary, first wipe clean the area around the filler cap to prevent dirt entering the hydraulic system. Unscrew the filler cap, taking care not to spill any fluid. Using a funnel, add new .4 fluid from a sealed container to raise the level to the maximum mark. Refit and securely tighten the filler cap. The coolant expansion tank and filler cap are located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. The coolant level varies with the temperature of the engine. When the engine is cold, the coolant level should be between the min and max marks. If topping up is necessary, clean the area around the filler cap. Unscrew the cap slightly to allow any residual pressure to vent, then fully unscrew it. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the expansion tank to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the cap. The dipstick is often brightly coloured for easy identification, and the oil filler cap is located on the top of the engine. Withdraw the dipstick, then use a clean rag or paper towel to wipe the oil from it. Insert the clean dipstick into the tube as far as it will go, then withdraw it again. Note the oil level on the end of the dipstick, which should be between the upper and lower marks. If topping up is necessary, unscrew the oil filler cap and add the correct grade of engine oil. Check the level on the dipstick again. Do not overfill. Refit the dipstick and securely refit the filler cap. The power steering fluid reservoir is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Turn the front road wheels to the straight ahead position without starting the engine. If the vehicle has been left standing for an hour or more, the power steering fluid will be cold, below 50 degrees Celsius. Unscrew the filler cap, then wipe clean the integral dipstick. Refit the filler cap, then unscrew it again and examine the fluid level on the dipstick. It should be just above the minimum mark. If the engine is at normal temperature, above 50 degrees Celsius, the fluid will be hot, so the fluid level should be at the maximum mark. Add the correct fluid if necessary, then securely refit the filler cap. The screen wash fluid reservoir is located at the front of the engine compartment. If topping up is necessary, pull up the filler cap and add a mixture of water and screen wash additive to the reservoir. Press the filler cap down firmly and mop up any spilled liquid. Firmly close the bonnet and check it secure.